Now this is the fun part, of course. I'm stuck on that. What the hell? How did I get stuck on that? Ugh. Oh, look at that. Made it over that one. No problem. But one small dead tree branch like kills me. Nope. Over the little branch. Nope. What do we get stuck on this time? Some moss, of course. A little bit of moss. I hate this damn dead tree. Of course, just has to fall over. Whoop-de-doo on a big ass tree. I'm just gonna fall right over into this path. Oh yeah, I stalled it. Oh, there's the easy part. Ass. And that was terrible. One more time. Time. Come on. Wheelie. Now you're just pissing me off. Oh, come on, the gear shift's like, no, I'm not gonna change gears. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, man, Jesus. Gonna go for a cruise.
Carefree time. Unfortunately,
My bike's leaning. Let's go for a drive. Oh. We just went 200 kilometers and I didn't have my seatbelt on. 190 kilometers or 120. 130 miles an hour. Pretty fast car. Put it in park maybe. Oh. Went all the way around the world. Stopped right there perfectly. Hell yeah. Now let's ride.